Do you want to know my secret to how I get my sheetrock to fit so tight? It's pretty simple. I cut my sheetrock 41.5 inches by 16, which 41.5 inches I measure from this corner to the center of that stud right there. Now I got my sheetrock cut. Let me get this nail out the way. Make sure them nails in the way. Got my sheetrock cut. I set it up here against it all the way to that edge. Set it on top of the thing good and tight. Then I take my marker or a pencil and I just mark right down that edge, right across the top right there. Then over here I gotta cut this out. I just mark right along that edge. Then I take my jigger and I just run it right on that black line, because that black line is right on the outside of the sheetrock, right on that black I'm hitting that down. This thing, this window casing is poking out. Get that the way. Now, after getting all that figured out, nails out of the way, notches cut, look at that gap, nice and tight. Nice and tight.